Okay, atmospheric hazards. As I always like to say, they're hazards because people live here and they like stuff. If we didn't live and we didn't like stuff, well, is it really a hazard? I'm not sure. But there are many atmospheric hazards that are meteorologically caused. So, blizzards. Right now, thankfully, we live in Florida. At least I do now. Yay! And I hope and pray I never have to live through another blizzard in my life. Because, yeah, hail. Oh, hail. We'll get to that one. Freezing rain. Fun stuff, fun stuff. Don't drive on it. Lightning. Oh my goodness, lightning, right? I mean, we live in Tampa. Our hockey team is called the Bolts for very good reason. And high winds. Okay. Flash flooding. Ha ha. Tampa knows nothing about that. Tornadoes. Yeah. Again, we'll talk about tornadoes. Oh, and hurricanes. Other ones are heat waves, cold snaps, and fog. Now, why are they hazards? Well, because we like to live. Property damage, right? We like our stuff, and it can affect the economy, right? Again, we like our stuff, right? So we like to live and we like to have stuff. That's why they're important. Okay, so here's a graph. I know I need to update it. It only goes to 2013. So, number of events, that's the blue line. Damage in billions of dollars, those are the red bar lines. So, if you look, 2005 is really the first thing you see, right? It's just like top of the chart in billions of dollars. Why? Katrina, right? So this is the hurricane graph. I didn't put the title in there, sorry. The next one was 2012, and you can see other ones, but most of them are, under 20. I say that like it's nothing, but yeah, $20 billion. And then number of events, well, you can see it kind of spiking in 2011, I want to say. Kind of interesting. It doesn't mean that the more events you have, the more expensive it is, right? It depends on what kind of thing it was. Like with Katrina, the levee broke, and that's the billions of dollars of damage. Okay, so hurricanes. Natural hazard, example, hurricane. I mean, I just guess I love this picture. Oh, look. Boop. Yeah. And again, this is a picture. This is one of the bridges. I don't remember if this is the Howard Franklin or I don't know what bridge this is. But you can see the boats and, oh my goodness, my boat's gone. Right. Um, and then floods. Yeah. I was like, does Tampa know anything about flooding? Well, let's see. These are all Tampa, right? Well, Tampa Bay. Pasco County, Dale, Mabry, and Henderson. And I can't really read the signs here, but this is yet another Tampa area.